Trying to swim what you're sinking. I don't know the reason. Just needed something different. Don't gotta hear what they speaking. No, don't gotta take what they giving. Remember the meaning. This old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high. I'ma touch the skyline. I'ma sing it loud. परिवार भद्र बटकम कैलेंदुम तंबूरटे नल्लच्चड़ तिरुमुगचनु काड़ी कड़ी तोड़ंगे अंगरगरे परिवार भद्र बटकम कैलेंदुम तंबूरटे नल्लच्चड़ तिरुमुगचनु काड़ी कड़ी तोड़ंगे परिवार 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 Heartbeat, reason what you feel when your feet hit the pavement. Keep on reaching, hold on to what you believe in. Don't gotta learn what they're teaching. No, don't believe what they're preaching. Remember the meaning. This old folk song we be singing. I'ma raise my arms high. I'ma touch the skyline. I'ma sing it loud and परिवार भद्र वटकम कैलेंदुम तंबूरटे नल्लच्चड़ तिरुमुगचनु काड़ी कड़ी तोड़ंगे अंगरगरे परिवार भद्र वटकम कैलेंदुम तंबूरटे नल्लच्चड़ तिरुमुगचनु काड़ी कड़ी तोड़ंगे परिवार 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 വാഹന മേരെ പോകുന്നു തമ്പുവട്ടെ താരിക പുരസന്നെ കണ്ണിൽ ചെന്നടുക്കുന്നു അങ്ങനങ്ങനെ പോരിക പോരിതു വേഗം അസുരേഷ പരമേശ പത്രിക നൽകുമ്പത്ര ഞാൻ നോക്കിയാങ്ങനങ്ങനെ വഴിവാട് ഭദ്ര വടക്കം കൈലേന്നും തമ്പുവട്ടെ നല്ല ചെട്ടിനും മുളിച്ചു കളി കളി തുടങ്ങി Kali
I call him Goopy because he has most amazing mustaches I have ever seen, all bushy and drooping luxurious over his upper lip. Here they are calling drooping. What are they calling here drooping? Alpha plans to grow, one just like GD grandpa. Here, the girl wants to grow his mustache when he grows bigger, like his grandpa. Okay? GD's sepia photograph hangs above the mantelpiece, in the drawing room of a house in North Kolkata. Where are these twins living?
Not Kolkata.
Yes. It shows him sitting on a high-back carved wooden chair, wearing dhoti, kurta, and a shawl across one shoulder. Okay, in the photograph, they see him as he is giving. They are feeling that boring. Sometimes when I am feeling friendly, I call him Goopy because he has most amazing mustaches I have ever seen, all bushy and drooping luxurious over his upper lip. Here they are calling drooping. What are they calling here drooping? Alpha plans to grow, one just like GD grandpa. Here, the girl wants to grow his mustache when he grows bigger, like his grandpa. Okay? GD's sepia photograph hangs above the mantelpiece, in the drawing room of a house in North Kolkata. Where are these twins living?
Not Kolkata.
Yes. It shows him sitting on a high-back carved wooden chair, wearing dhoti, kurta, and a shawl across one shoulder. Okay, in the photograph, they see him as he is giving. And if you want to find this value, we have to transpose this to this side. So it will become. So we can find the value. So it will become 9 minus 3. 2x equals to 6. X equals to 6 by 2. Okay? X equals to 3. So we can find the value 3. X equals to 3 by this method. So equation, this is an equation. Linear equation. Linear equation contains linear equation in one variable. So x plus 3 equals to 9.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the highest number that exactly divides each number of a set of 2 or more is known as the LCM. I will write 3 numbers. You should say the factors of that. Okay? Can you say the factors of this?
2 and 1. 2 and 1.
5,
1 and 5.
6.
1.
In this, which is the highest? It is the highest common number.
6.
Highest common.
2.
1. The HF of these 3 numbers is 1.
The teacher friend. Do you think teacher is our friend? Yes. Why? What's the reason behind it? Can anyone get up and say what's the reason behind it? Can anyone say the reason behind it? To inspire, they motive, their guidance. Okay, claps for her. Nowhere to go. Had nowhere to go. This is just something I think you need to know. I don't know what made me trust you. I still remember the day when I told you what have been taught. I thought I should learn everything, go hide in a hole. But then you really brought out my true soul. This line says that how much a teacher supports us, how much they inspire us, how much they teach us. The moon is an asteroid which revolves around the Earth. Then it is known as a satellite because it revolves around a planet. When a body or object in the atmosphere, a celestial body, revolves around a planet, it is known as a satellite. And on Earth, television, etc. And some satellites are even sent to take the pictures and photographs of Mars. Recently, we sent satellites near the Sun, and there are many satellites which we can see the photos of the universe and solar system. And
this is a sand dune. Assume a snake. Due to the hot sun, the sand is very hot. The snake's surface is very large, so that when it scrolls on the sand, it feels very hot, so that it may cause some damage. It started adopting, this is a snake's lower surface. When it scrolls through all the surface, it gets the heat over the large area, and that's why it started adopting a behavior that it scrolls on the middle part. That means this is the whole side of the lower side of a snake. It scrolls on the base of the middle part of the lower side. It adopted this situation. In this hot situation, the snake adopted this.
మనకి ఇప్పుడు సెల్ ఫోన్లు చాలా అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు ఉన్నాయి. మాట్లాడుకొని వాళ్ళ కష్టసుఖాలు ఒకరితో పంచుకునేవాళ్ళు. ఇది జాతరలోనే జరుగుతుంది. మరి పుట్టిన చనిపోయిన ఈ వార్తలన్నీ తెలిసిపోయేది జాతరలోనే. మనం ఒకరు చనిపోయిన ఈ వార్తలన్నీ జాతరలోనే ఒకరికొకరు చెప్పుకుంటారు. ఊరికి దూరంగా బాగు పక్కనో అడవి మధ్యనో జాతరలు 2-3 రోజులు జరిగేవి. ఇప్పుడు మనం జాతరలు అంటే ఎక్కడ దాకా అక్కడ జరుగుతుంది. కానీ ఒకప్పుడు ఊరి బయట ఊరి పొలిమేర బాగు పక్కనో అడవి మధ్యలో జాతరలు జరిగేవి. 2-3 రోజులు జరిగేది జాతర. మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సమ్మక్క సారక్క జాతర తీసుకున్న 3 డేస్ జాతర అంతే. 2-3 రోజులు, దానికి మించి ఉండదు.
Divided or separated by a point is called decimal point. Understood? The numbers also in the form of fractions. Suppose 2 by 10. When we divide 2 by 10, 2 divided by 10. 10 tables 2 is not possible, so I have to keep a 0. 10 zeros are 0. 2. Okay? So you don't have anything to take down, so you need to keep a point and you have to take a 0. 10 2s are 20. And you get 0.2. So what is the value of 2 by 10? 0.2. So when there is a 1 0 in this denominator, you get only one place after the decimal point. Understood? Another example I will say. Suppose 3 by 100. When you divide 3 with 100, so it's not possible. So you have to take a 0. 100 zeros is 0 by 3. You don't have anything to take down, so you need to keep a point and write a 0. But still it is not possible. So what you have to do, you have to take another 0. 100 zeros are 0. 30. And you don't have anything to take out. We have put already a decimal point, so you no need to put another decimal point. You should literally take another 0. So 100 3s are 300. So what is the value of 3 by 100? 0.03. Look here, the denominator have 2 zeros. After the decimal point, came after the 2 digit. Understood?
X to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now let's move to binomial. Binomial which consists of 2 terms or less than 2 terms. We can say at most 2 terms. Binomial. Let us take some examples of binomial. As I have written here, 2x cubed plus x to the power 0, that is an binomial.
algebraic expression.
Whole chapter that is refraction of light in plane surfaces going on for you, right? Now I'm not going to get into the chapter and confuse you all, but let's discuss some basics like what does refraction and reflection deal with, how can we see, we'll answer a few questions, okay? So how can we see an object? For example, if this is a book, we can see this object, right? We can see that it is a book. How can we see that? The light rays fall on this object and reflect back to our eyes. We can see this object, okay? So, fun fact over here is that previously people believed that our eyes sent some probes to the object. Probes meaning small little fairies were sent to the object, which means these probes go to the object and bring information from the object to our eyes. This was actually believed, but if it is a fact, then in the darkness also we have to be able to see it, right? But we couldn't see in the darkness. We couldn't see scientists discovered reflection and refraction theories and all. Then later we understood about how can we see an object. Okay, let me get you another question. Why do we have two eyes? Can anyone answer? Why do we have two eyes?
To see the object.
See the object, you might say to have a long or a large way of vision, right? Yeah, wide vision. But if it's the case, we have to have our eyes on this side, right? Then we have a lot more wide vision. Of course, right? If it is like this, we can see just this part. But if on the other side, like camel has, right? Camel and horse have eyes on their other two sides. So that, but why don't we have like that? Why do you think? Actually, the reason is that our both eyes do the same functions and all. But our one eye acts like a camera. If you click a picture from a camera, you can see that only two-dimensional picture, right? The another dimension, or you can't gauge the depth of the picture. See, if you click a picture of this